All right, friends, so we're here to talk about our Human Body 1 assignment, and our learning target for that is I can match the human body system with its major organs. So we're going to be talking about each of the human body systems and the organs that go with it, or that are part of those systems. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as you need, so that way you can have appropriate understanding. And of course, make sure you have something to write on and write with, because you might want to be taking some notes. You're going to be completing this click and drag activity for this lesson. You can either use this video to complete that click and drag activity, or if you want to, you can notice that there is a text link as well with all of this information as well if you'd rather read about it and then complete it. So 2 different ways that we can learn about this material. All right, so let's start with the circulatory system. So the circulatory system is composed of your veins, heart, arteries, and capillaries. That's a hard one for Miss Moon to say. So the veins take blood towards your heart, and then the arteries take blood away from your heart. A for away, A for arteries. And the heart, of course, is what pumps and gets oxygen into our blood. And then that circulatory system circulates or passes it all throughout your body in order to get oxygen to all of our cells. And those capillaries, I have the hardest time saying that, friends, is what gives the blood to our tissues because they're going off of those arteries. All right, so then we have the respiratory system, and that's made of your trachea, which is basically your throat going down. That's how that air goes down. Not your food, that's your esophagus. Your trachea is where your air goes down. These bronchial tubes go into the lungs and bring the air into the lungs. And then, of course, we have our lungs that actually have the air in them and that help fill it up help get oxygen to our blood. And then we have the diaphragm, which is right under your lungs. And that's actually the thing, if you've ever had hiccups before, which I'm sure you all have, that diaphragm is the thing that is kind of squeezing and causing those hiccups. But that helps our lungs expand as we breathe. All right, the skeletal system is made up of your bones. You have 206 bones, and that is the skeletal system. For your muscular system, it's made up of the muscles. And so it's made up of all the muscles in your body. And then your muscles constrict and expand and stretch in order to allow you to move. Then we have 2 more. We have the digestive system. The digestive system is how you digest your food. It starts up here with your mouth and your teeth. It goes down your esophagus. That's where your food goes down because your throat has your trachea and your esophagus. And then it goes into your stomach. There's lots of acid in your stomach that helps break down that food. And then after your body has gotten what it needs from the food, the waste products of that food goes through your large and your small intestines. Lastly, we have the nervous system. The nervous system is made up of your brain and the spinal cord. You could also put nerve cells in there too if you wanted to. But that controls all of your nerves and allows your body to respond to the environment around it. All right, so go ahead and go to the assignment for this lesson. Again, remember that you're completing that click and drag activity. You can either do it just by watching this video. You can utilize that text as well. Make sure that you turn in your completed activity and keep it within your drive so that way you can use it on our mastery checks. Go ahead and head there now.